Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use baby powder for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks to use when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Using baby powder for hemorrhoids is good to keep the affected area dry and let the hemorrhoids heal for themselves. Use baby powder to dust your anal area to soothe the hemorrhoids. Since hemorrhoid sufferers often have leakage from mucus or fecal matter, it's very important to keep the area dry and clean. Benefits of baby powder for hemorrhoids. Baby powder can work much like a skin moisturizer to help soothe hemorrhoids affected area. If you feel irritated and itching on the hemorrhoids affected area, just rub a slight of baby powder into those areas. While it does eliminate moisture, baby powder on its own is best for treating external hemorrhoids to feel smoother and less irritated. It is one of the best solutions for hemorrhoids skin irritation. After all, you use it on your newborn skin, so why would it not be safe for you? Keep it on hand throughout the hemorrhoids when your skin tends to get really irritated. Is it good to apply baby powder on hemorrhoids? It's always advised that those suffering from this problem maintain fine anal hygiene so that the symptoms linked to hemorrhoids can heal better. Though, adults suffering from hemorrhoids find their anal canal to be forever wet or moist, probably from mucus leakage or drainage of fecal matter. Should hemorrhoids be kept dry or moist? When the anal canal is left moist most of the time, it will only worsen the hemorrhoid symptoms. It is vital to keep the anal canal free of any sort of moisture at all times, so as to let the hemorrhoids problem cure on its own. To solve this, dusting the anal canal regularly with non-perfumed talcum or baby powder will make sure that any moisture present is absorbed well, and keeping the skin and surface dry most of the time. And when you have hemorrhoid symptoms but don't experience any sort of itches, pain, or irritation, they'll probably go away on their own. So, yes, hemorrhoid development can be reduced with the use of baby powder on hemorrhoids. Baby powder for hemorrhoids. This home remedy should be followed with care though, and only after consulting with a health provider. Baby powders, does it work for hemorrhoids? During hemorrhoids, anal itching is a usual issue and lifestyle choices, baby powder, and over-the-counter treatments can normally solve hemorrhoid problems. If treatments don't work and resolve the symptoms and itching within a couple of weeks, your health provider might refer you to a specialist. Baby powder for hemorrhoids. Treat hemorrhoids can be hard. The primary rule of the cure is to keep stool soft and simply to pass. This is finest accomplished with increased fibers. Boost dietary fibers or utilize bulking agents, such as Citracel, Metamucil for a goal of 20 to 30 grams each day. Ensure to consume plenty of water, as fiber without water is not useful. Avoid any straining when passing stools, as straining exerts additional pressure on already dilated hemorrhoids. For troublesome external hemorrhoids, avoid rubbing after bowel movements, and in its place use wipes for cleanliness. Keep the spot dry and clean. Do not be afraid to apply baby powder for cleanliness. It is really helpful to dry the area well as reduce the itching problem. When itching happens, home remedies such as baby powder or hazel can be soothing. After applying baby powder for 30 minutes, a sitz bath can help reduce swelling. These are accomplished by including Epsom salts to warm water. What is baby powder? Baby powders are a kind of cosmetic product or hygienic powder made from cornstarch, a clay mineral called talc arrow roots, or other powders. These are often utilized to prevent or treat hemorrhoids itching around the affected area. Several men or women also commonly use these to dry hemorrhoids. Adult women and men might also use baby powder on other parts to soothe rashes because several substances in the baby powder help skin to soothe and ease friction. Baby powders are a refined shape. This form is one of the softest minerals on the planet. Mainly made of magnesium, oxygen, and silicon, talc doesn't generate any chemical reaction when utilized on the hemorrhoids affected area. This is why it's soft enough to use on external hemorrhoids. It also acts as a cleaning agent for hemorrhoids by absorbing the moisture that can help them grow bacteria when sweating. Baby powder is perfect at keeping external hemorrhoids dry and reduce irritation. Other hemorrhoids treatments. For internal cases, a couple of choices exist to remove swollen, large hemorrhoids. Ligation is performed during flexible sigmoidoscopy and involves putting a small rubber band around the base of hemorrhoids. Circulation is prevented and the dilated hemorrhoid falls off. Repeat treatments are often essential. Surgical treatment is also available for both external and internal hemorrhoids. Since it can be quite painful, oftentimes surgical treatment is reserved for thrombosed hemorrhoids, which bleed freely, or otherwise recurrently problematic hemorrhoids. Your health provider can help you to decide which, if any, hemorrhoid treatment is right for you. What are hemorrhoids and how to avoid them? Hemorrhoids are extreme irritation, but rarely a serious issue. Most adults will deal with this problem at some point in life. The anal canal and rectum are very rich in blood supply. Hemorrhoids symptoms are dilated blood vessels in these spots. They're not polyps, growths, nor tumors. Unfortunately, hemorrhoid symptoms can mimic symptoms of more serious problems, such as colorectal cancer. There are two types of hemorrhoids, external and internal. The external can be seen and felt outside the skin of the anal canal. Internal hemorrhoids are inside the rectum and can't easily be felt or seen. The assessment to evaluate the inside of the rectum is required to diagnose internal hemorrhoid symptoms. Symptoms of hemorrhoids. Most common hemorrhoid symptoms include itching, pain, bleeding, burning, and a palpable lump near the anal canal area. On occasion, hemorrhoids can generate a clot of blood within the vessel that causes increased itching, pain, and hardness of the hemorrhoids. These are thrombosed hemorrhoids. It can lead to serious bleeding. The classic pattern of a flow of fresh red-colored blood seen streaking the outside of the stool and dripping into the toilet, or on the paper. This problem doesn't cause cancer. Unfortunately, bleeding can mimic rectal cancer. Also, other issues within the rectum. Colonoscopy. Sigmoidoscopy is a certain method to assure there's not rectal cancer as the source of bleeding. Your health provider can assist you to decide if small rectal bleeding is from hemorrhoid or a more serious cause. Now, let's jump into our main topic. Is baby powder good for hemorrhoids? The short answer is yes, it is very helpful to dry hemorrhoids and reduce the itching problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.